welcome back. Today we are going to solve House Robber 3, question number 213 on Leetcode. So yeah, let's go through the discussion of the problem. You are a professional robber planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. All houses at his place are arranged in a circle. That means the first house is the neighbor of the last one. Meanwhile, adjacent houses have a security system connected and it will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into on the same time, same night. Okay, given an integer array nums representing the amount of money each house, return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. So yeah, that's pretty much the question. I think it is very much similar to house robber. Only the difference is like there it was straight array. Here it is like a circular array. So we just need to take care like if the first house was robbed, then we need to make sure that last house cannot be robbed and vice versa holds true also. So let's have a flag for that, like extra flag to know if first house got robbed or not. So yeah, that's all. Like I think let's start coding it. Yeah. So let's have a traverse function as we always do. I'm not writing down the observation or thought process here, like because it is similar to house robber, only there is one flag which we need to take care of. That is like if the first house was robbed or not. So yeah, let's start with coding. Traverse. We'll be passing nums here, and let's say that we are starting from the zeroth index as we always do. Let's have here like flag, like first house is not robbed for now. So yeah, let's have a flag. So let's pass false here. Yeah. So we will have like int traverse left pass vector int ampersand nums int idx, and let's have like bool flag just to know if first house was robbed or not. So that's it pretty much. Now if idx is greater than equal to nums dot size, this means we are pretty much clear that we have robbed all the houses and we need to return 0 here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we will have int take is equal to 0, int not take is equal to 0. Like these are the two variables I am taking in order to take the value rob this house, like in order to know like if we rob this house or not. So there is a condition like if flag is true, if not flag, okay, if flag is true and idx is let's say at the last index in -1, then flag is true, then we don't need to do anything. Okay, so this is not okay. So okay, so then we cannot do anything. We need to simply return 0, I think. So reason I am returning 0 is because okay, yeah. So the reason I am returning 0 is like we cannot rob from the last house as we have robbed at the first house. So like taking this example, I can be very pretty much sure that answer can be 3, because if we would have robbed here, he cannot rob here. So yeah, that's it. So if idx is equal to 1, and let's say I am idx is equal to 0, and let's say I am taking take is equal to traverse nums. Let's so we will go to idx plus 2 here because since we took it, and flag will become true. Yeah. Else okay, and then we can have like not take here. Else it will be take is equal to traverse and nums idx plus 2. We took the value and we have like 2 here. We will have like whatever the flag is stating. Okay, other cases it does not matter, we don't need to interfere with the flag here. We will have variable not take here, so not take will be taking care of like traverse. We will have nums again. We will have idx plus 1 since we did not took any value. We don't need to interfere with flag. And then we will return max, right? Yeah. Return max of take, comma, not take. So yeah, that's it pretty much, I think. Okay, and let's have the value written down here since we did not note down the value. So nums of idx plus this. Let's have it here also. Nums of idx plus this. And we will send the max value. We need to send from here, return here. So let's go through it like if we did not do any segmentation fault here. Okay. Okay. We need to have here nums dot size. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's pretty much getting accepted. But since, as we can recall, like we added DP to it, so like I think this is very much similar. So we need to add DP to it. Like we will be ending up reaching this step either by like jumping from 1 comma 3 or either just not taking 1 comma 2 and have reaching out this third place. So same node is visited by multiple ways. So yeah, we need to have a DP here. DP. We can have DP of num VDP of idx is equal to like at this index, this was the max value which I can get, and if dp dot find idx is not equal to dp dot end, we need to return dp of idx. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's try to run it once. Okay, yeah, pretty cool. Now let's try to submit it. Okay, we ended up getting wrong answer here. So what could be the reason? Let's see. So we took the flag here, right? So if idx is equal to 0, we took flag. Flag was initially stated as false. Okay. So what are we getting? First, let's see. We are getting output as 3. So what is happening? It is going to this place and probably this place and then jumping out. So why it did not do this value uh, like 3 here, and let's just not skip the 1 comma 3. So okay, so intake is there. Okay, I think flag is equal to true, we are returning, and IDS is equal to message. I think this is true. Okay, uh, okay, so we are trying to fetch like, okay, let's try to print cout comma not take to get the clarity. Let's try to just remove this thing and see like, is it again causing the issue like it was happening previously? Okay, I don't know, like we always end up getting this issue. Okay, so okay, so okay, so what is happening here is like we have idx and flag here. Flag is also something which is changing. Like if idx is equal to 1 and flag is equal to true, it will give us different value, and if idx is equal to 1 and flag is equal to false, it will return us the different value. So that is what was causing the issue for us. So let's say like might be like we are only having for the true, and that was we are only dependent on the idx here. So we don't need to be only dependent on the idx. We need to have here like idx comma flag. So we will have here like pair. We will make it a pair here. Pair of int comma bool, and we will make it as map. Fair enough. And we will have like I think now it should work properly. and we will find like idx comma flag. Yeah, and we will have like idx comma flag. Okay, let's try to run it once. Okay, we need to have here also. Okay, let's try to submit it. So yeah, this one got submitted. So yeah, that's the solution for this problem. Thanks. Bye.